you're showing you 3 types of cartwheel. The first one is going to be regular, the second one is going to be a round off, the third one is going to be a cartwheel handstand, so let's get started. So the first one is a regular cartwheel. Like that. The second one is a round off, so like this. Actually like this. Sorry. Put 2 feet together then. And the second one, you're going to do a cartwheel, and in the middle you're going to do a handstand back. So like that. Watch. Wait, no. Sorry. Like that. So, tuck, tuck.